Question number 1. Choose the correct pronoun. Are going to the movie tonight. Her are going, they are going, him I going, or me are going. Answer B. They are going to the movie tonight. Question 2. Fill in the blank with the correct article. He bought a new car last week. He bought a new car last week. He bought the new car. Answer A. He bought a new car last week. Question 3. Identify the correct form of the verb. She go to the gym every morning. She goes to the gym every morning. She going to the gym every morning, or she gone to the gym every morning. Answer B. She goes. Question number 4. Choose the correct preposition. He is afraid. The dark. In the dark. At the dark. Of the dark. Or with the dark. Answer C. He is afraid of the dark. Question number 5. Select the correct conjunction. He studied hard. He passed the exam. But he passed the exam, or he passed the exam because he passed the exam, or so he passed the exam. Answer D. So he passed the exam. Question 6. Choose the correct sentence. A. I don't has any money. B. I don't have any money. C. I don't have any money. Or D. I doesn't have any money. Answer B. I don't have any money. 7. Fill in the blank. She has been working here 5 years. She has been working here since 5 years, for 5 years, in 5 years, or at 5 years. Answer B. For 5 years. Number 8. Choose the correct form of the adjective. This is the movie I have ever seen. The more interesting, the most interesting, or D. The interesting, the more interesting. Question 9. Select the correct pronoun. This pen is not yours. This pen is me. This pen is mine. This pen is mine. Or this pen is I. Answer C. This pen is mine, not yours. Question 10. Choose the correct sentence. A. She are reading a book. B. She is reading a book. C. She am reading a book. Or D. She be reading a book. Answer B. She is reading a book. 11. Identify the adverb. He ran quickly to catch the bus. A. Run. B. Quickly. C. To. D. Catch. The answer is B. Quickly. Question 12. Fill in the blank with the correct verb. They in the garden right now. They work. They works. They are working. Or D. They working. Answer C. 13. Choose the correct preposition. She is interested learning new languages. In learning, on learning, about learning, or with learning. Answer A. She is interested in learning. 14. Select the correct form of the verb. He finished his homework before I arrived. He has finished, he have finished, he had finished, or he haven't finished. Answer C. He had finished his homework before I arrived. 15. Identify the adjective. The tall building can be seen from far away. Tall, building, seen, or far. The adjective is A. Tall. Question 16. Fill in the blank with the correct article. She is only child in the family. She is a only child. She is an only child. She is the only child. Or no. C. She is the only child in the family. Question 17. Choose the correct sentence. He didn't went to the party. He didn't go to the party. He doesn't went to the party. Or he don't go to the party. The answer is B. He didn't go to the party. Question 18. Select the correct preposition. The cat jumped the wall. The cat jumped on the wall, over the wall, at the wall, or in the wall. The answer is B. The cat jumped over the wall. Question 19. Choose the correct form of the verb. The sun rises in the west. The sun rises in the west. The sun rising in the west, or rised in the west. B. The sun rises in the west. 20. Fill in the blank with the correct pronoun. Of these books is yours. Which of these books? What of these books? Who of these books, or whom? The answer is A. Which of these books is yours? Thanks for watching.